Namaste, welcome to Sesrekha's kitchen. Today I am making very delicious, easy, mint flavored rice. To make this rice, I took a big handful of fresh mint and 2 to 3 garlic cloves, a 1-inch piece of ginger and 2 to 3 green chilies. I ground them into a fine paste. In a pan, I took 2 tablespoons of butter and heating on medium heat. You can use butter, ghee or oil. When the butter is melted, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them puff up. Then add a handful of cashew nuts. When the cashew nuts turned into golden color, add the ground mint paste. Stir it well. I feel like it needed more oil, so I added 1 more tablespoon of oil. Add some salt and turmeric powder. Keep stirring. Stir it until it loses the raw flavor. Actually, you can fry until it oozes the oil out. Then add the cooked rice and mix it well. This is about 1.5 cups of cooked rice, almost 2 cups. I used 1.5 cups of water to cook 1 cup of rice. After cooking the rice, I cooled it down in a plate. Add finely chopped cilantro. You can even make the mint rice with your leftover rice. When everything is well combined, you can add about 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix it again and the flavorful mint rice is ready. Please do try this recipe and give me your feedback. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like my Facebook page. Also visit my Telugu channel for more interesting recipes. We will meet in my next video. Until then, happy cooking.